Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your hello friends, welcome back to AmazingWomensWorld. In this video I've come up to show you converting old loosened jeans into stylish skinny fit jeans. I got fed up of wearing these loosened jeans. Now I'll be converting this for, and if you are fashion lovers, you must try the latest trending pattern, isn't it? So latest trending is the skinny fit jeans. Now I'll be converting this loosened jeans into skinny fit. So turning inside out, you can see here towards one side it's completely concealed, and another side you can see the seam allowance, which we can alter here. Make it flat, grease it without any folds. Upper part is comfortable for me to wear it, and from the knee point till the ankle hemline, I'll be marking the cross line here. For the ankle openings, I'll be keeping 5 inches approximately. And now on this cross line, I'll give the stitch so that it will perfectly fit to me. The same markings I'll give to another side also. Now on this cross line, I'll give the stitch. Giving the double stitches so that it will secure for long run. Same way I'll stitch on other leg also. Now that I'm done with the stitching, I'll be trimming off the extras, leaving 1 cm seam allowance. This is for the overlocking, so trimming off all the extras. Now here I'll overlock it. The same way I'll cut on another side also. This I'm doing using the normal sewing machine, and the needle number is 40, or also you can try the needle number 16, because some of my viewers were asking for the jeans like thick garments what would be the perfect needle for the stitching. So I'd recommend these two, and the final lookout would look like this. Isn't it looking stylish and trendy? Hope sharing of an idea is useful to you. If you like it, please hit the like button to support my efforts. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to AmazingWomensWorld channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashion content.